I'll be showing you step by step how to fix your Shopify logo if it's looking too big in your Shopify store. So as an example, if we head to our example Shopify store here, we have the logo for the channel added. And as you can see, this is probably way too big for what we want. It's taking up a huge portion of the navigation, and it's just hurting the overall aesthetic for our store. So in terms of fixing this, let's start from the Shopify admin here. On the left-hand side, we'll click on Online Store. It's going to open up our themes. We want to go to our currently live theme here, which should be at the top. We'll click Edit Theme. From there, we want to move up to the gear icon in the top left, go to Logo under Theme Settings, and here we can adjust the width of our icon. So we can drag it all the way to the left for 50 pixels. We can drag it all to the right at 300 pixels. We can also give it a custom pixel width anywhere between that range. Let's say we wanted 55, rather than having to use the toggle, although it does seem to default us within units of 10. But this is the easiest way to adjust our logo here, is it used to require you to go into a tool like Canva and manually change the size of it. However, with this desktop logo resizing, it makes it super easy to automatically resize our logo within the Shopify theme itself. Once you're happy with how it looks, we can hit save in the top right here to finalize those changes. Now, if you're making it easier for customers to navigate your site, you should be making it easier for you to track your store's profits. And that's where Profit Calc comes in. My very own app that gives you one-click profit calculations. When set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time, easy to understand analytics to see how much money your store is actually making. It includes different metrics and details and cards so you can start making smarter business decisions. There's a 15-day free trial, and I'll leave a link for it in the description below. You can also find it in the Shopify App Store by searching for Profit Calc and then looking for this logo right here. Again, there's a 15-day free trial, so make sure you check that out. This concludes the video on how to fix your logo if it's too big in your Shopify store. If this video helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.